Good morning, student. In last class we studied interchange in the states of matter. In this we study effect of change in temperature. What will happen when we change the temperature and how matter change their state. Moving forward in this series we are studying how effect of pressure will change the states of matter. Increasing or decreasing the pressure can change the states of matter. Student, when we increase or decrease the pressure on matter, it will change their state. Applying pressure or reducing temperature can liquefy the gas. Example, solid carbon dioxide is stored under the high pressure. Solid CO2 get converted directly to gases state on decreasing pressure without coming into liquid state. That's why it is also known as dry ice. Students, you know all well known about the dry ice which are used in the refrigerator. It is a very hard substance, but when we decrease the pressure, it will comes directly into solid to gaseous state. Now, latent heat. Hidden heat by gaining the matter change their state without changing the temperature. Latent heat is the heat by which matter change their state without change in the temperature. Students, you know about that. At 0 degree centigrade, water will change into ice, and at the same temperature, it means 0 degree centigrade, water remains in liquid state, but one is in the liquid state and another is in solid state, but temperature will be same. How it is possible? Simply by gaining latent heat. Latent heat breaks the force of attraction between molecules of the solid and convert it into the liquid. Fusion. Heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. 1 kilogram of solid into liquid, it means solid converted into liquid, it changes its state of matter. The heat required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid, that is known as fusion. And vaporization, heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of liquid to gas at atmospheric pressure. It is at its boiling point, that is known as vaporization. Thank you, students.